Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a couple of simple embossed birthday cards that would work great for anyone. So here to make these cards and save some time, I'm going to bust out my card panel box. So this box used to hold some lovely chocolates that my dad gave me at Christmas time, and the box was just so pretty I couldn't get rid of it. And it's the perfect size to hold two big old stacks of A2 size card panels. So here I'm just kind of flipping through. I have every sort of technique you can imagine. Most of the stencil ones, or all the stencil ones probably, are all a Colorful Life Designs, but I have embossed and hand painted and ink blended and stenciled and paper piecing and pretty much everything you can think of. But basically I'm kind of going after a couple embossed panels that I know I have in here. So that's hand painted with some Yuli watercolor paint, so that was fun. Anyway, I'm kind of going after these black 3D embossed panels, and here's a couple photos of the finished cards. So I was able to use all components that I had on hand ready to go, from the embossed card panels to the pre-made card bases to the die cuts. And what's cool about these is I was also able to use up some pattern paper. So if you have too much designer paper or pattern paper lying around, then maybe think about using some of your sentiment die cuts to have some of that ready to go, and you can use that up for your cards as well. So I attached these two panels to card bases. This is a 120-pound accent opaque, and I'm shopping my sentiment book here to figure out how I want to finish the cards. So I knew I wanted to make them birthday cards because I wanted to have some that would work for anyone, but especially for masculine cards, to have them on hand when I need them for birthday cards. So these, I have two Celebrate dies. These are Catherine Pooler dies, and I cut some pattern paper up and kind of stored it in these storage sheets. So these are baseball card pockets, and that's how I use a lot of components and have them ready to go. Now this is microdot sheets. It's Artist Tack. This is what I like to use to apply some quick adhesive to the back of my die cuts, and I'm just going to make sure I get enough because there is a lot of dimension on these panels, and then I'm going to kind of push them down and burnish them into these card fronts, and that's going to finish these cards. I do decide after a little bit that I want to add a little bit of blingage, so I have these Pink Fresh, they're kind of flat back gold pearls, and I'm just adding them in odd numbers on the front of these cards. I'm using some liquid glue and my jewel picker tool, and I will link any of the available products in the video description box below. I believe that Gears is Tim Holtz, and then I'm not sure on the other embossing folder, but I will definitely look that up and link those below. And if you use my links, it really does help me out. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use my affiliate links, but it does help support me and my channel. So if you enjoy your favorite YouTubers, then the best way to support them is to hit the like and thumbs up and comment on their videos, and then if you shop, to use their affiliate links. So here I'm just struggling a little bit to get these flipped over and placed down on the front of the card, but that's going to finish it. So super quick. These both came together in literally minutes, probably less than 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more because I was struggle bus with the glue, but you know, whatever. Anyway, so thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Bye.